10/26/2020. Not that happy of a day for the bulls.
Market data connection lost.
However, we did give everyone a warning, and we did.
Market data
And one
connection
of the things that I'm
re-established.
going to point out is we're going to use our daily chart here. And it's our trading app that I built, and it's 100% mathematically. Each line is $13.01. Okay. And so this is that top. There's the rally. We came down. We
Market
broke
data
down
connection
right
lost.
here when we could not. This is the breakdown. So let's
Market
blow
data
this up.
connection re-established.
And this is on a daily now. And here was the breakdown right in here, my friends. 3480 could not go. And this is today. This is everything about today. So we know that we were up there at 3440. And then we came down and we hit it right to the penny. 3360 was the low. And that was the test of this diamond. And remember, the diamonds are algorithms. They're machines that are used in the exchanges. And it's pure mathematics. Now, let me explain something to you very clearly here. And it works like this. One of the things that we really want to point out is that the Dow did fall 950 points. It only closed down 650. And S&P only closed down 64 points. It closed right there at that neckline, which is at 3,400. Now, one of the problems that we have is the following, is that with the election period, and we've already talked about this now, and what volatility is going to be, and that volatility is going to return. We said that yesterday or last night in our update, and we went ahead and gave that warning before this event happened to you this morning. So this morning, last night, if you were watching and you had owned some stocks and you got out on the opening bell, well, hey, you did pretty good for yourself. If that is the case. Nonetheless, here's the deal. The support level is going to be right here at 3280. And it's going to be this. There's a gap. Now, the next line down would bring that right here, right across this bottom here. It goes all the way over here now, where these diamonds go across here. And those are algorithms, okay? And they're mathematical bots. Those are the kind of algorithms they are, mathematical bots. Hold on one second. Let me pull this one other part up for you. So, at that 3,400 close today, is the issue that we have is that the lower highs will come into play. And then you get over here where the uptrend was to this last top reversal. And it's going to be right in here. So when we look at what the potential bottom is with that volatility in the earnings, we know that 3285 right down in here is going to be a pit stop. And this is where the rally started. We made the low. We hit that diamond. We went with the gap and consolidated, went up to that top. And that was the last low that was put in the market, everyone, from the last sell-off that we had, that big sell-off that we had. And then that was the recovery rally. And then this is the failure of that rally. And we bounced off of here at 3360, just like a rocket. And we did. And the issue is that the downside is still there. So let's go in here, 3362. 38 points. That's about top of the bottom, and that's the math right there. So we are 100% accurate as we see it because the math doesn't lie. Now, having said that, my friends, trading volatility is your best friend. And what this daily chart says in our system is that in the near term, with the election, and if we continue to break 3360, then we will come down there. And and this is the last rally that we had. And this is where that low end is. And that would be 1, 2, that would be a 3 teeny script in our system. Okay. And each line is $13.03. It's right to the penny, mathematically. So math never does lie. And that's why we're cautioning people so dearly. And we would love to spend time to get to know you, most importantly, and let you spend time with us in the live markets. Let you make some serious money with us. And you can believe what you see. And right then and there is what we're going to be doing. And we're going to be doing a good job at what we do and when we do it and why we do it. And so, once again, it's real. We're just taking the time. So, watch in the chart, and that's the downside. 3,400 was the breakout point right here of this last leg higher, right there. And that's where this diamond is. That's where we close. So there's a lot more downside in the S&P if things don't go the right way. And we think that that will happen. There is a possibility, even going into November, there's a 5% possibility even go lower down to 3,100. Yeah, but we'll talk about that day after day. Once again, it's a privilege to bring it to you.